Put it into a promotional video.
You always say porno.
Put it into a porno.
Oh,
wow. I will bite into an onion hole one day.
This is, who are you?
My name's Alfie.
This is Alfie Cooks. You may notice him or recognise him from such things as Soup Season.
Welcome to Soup Season.
Welcome back to Soup Season.
When you sent me a voice note, I was like, it's him. It's really him. We were talking and we were like, let's do something together because he's a vegan nation. I'm not a vegan nation.
I'm a plant-based nation.
He's a plant-based nation. But he's just been to Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico.
See, Tango. And I bought these, and then we were like, let's do a taco, but let's kind of like riff on it, where he'll do a mushroom version, I'll do a meaty version.
I mean, look, meat, mushroom, different things, but these are very meaty. Lots of colour, lots of flavour.
Vibes. Let's get the whiteboard out.
Wow.
What even happened on here?
God, this reminds me of like chemistry lessons.
Yeah, that's it. So how many sauces do you reckon we should do?
Should we break it down by colour? Look, how about that? Look, no, wait.
Yeah, like it.
Green sauce.
Red sauce. Right, red onion.
Red onion.
Pickles.
Pickled.
Pickles.
Yeah.
So what we're thinking is if the meaty and the mushroomy, I'd just say that's like the neutral point, maybe a little bit earthy. And then we need something that is gonna cut through it.
So that's gonna be
Poppy Woppy.
Poppy Woppy red onions.
Yeah.
And then this is gonna be, got loads of nice herby werbies.
Everything's gonna be herby werby.
So, what is it, like zoog or like chimichurri, something like that.
Yeah,
like
lovely.
Loads of fresh herbs, garlic. And then maybe something like just nice and garlicky perhaps. Ooh. So just
What's the one that,
Toom. Which is like
Julius does,
raw garlic.
Right, so then we got these, herby werby, and then we do poppy woppy on top, meaty weety in the middle. That makes sense. Everyone understand?
Just have a bit more coffee so I can comprehend it all.
Is it right if I cook this near you, or do you want me to go outside?
No, you can cook it. It's fine. I'm not that fussy. My meaty mushrooms will offset all that poor animal flesh roasting away. I mean, are we going to focus on the fillings first, I suppose?
Yeah,
I mean,
when you make the sauce.
I prep that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Do you have a big mixing bowl, first of all, first and foremost?
Oh, let's get the nice one.
Allez.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef. I have to give him a shout out. TB Stoneware.
Wow.
I think his name's Tom. He sent me that and 2 other beautiful bowls. Look at that. You should get that for Soup Season.
Ooh, you could really like suckle on it.
Yeah.
No, I won't.
So I'm just gonna like really rare sear this so there's more intense flavours. I'm going heavy on the salt.
So this is actually going to take a while, so why don't we just chat while I shred these? God, when was the last time I ate a steak, honestly?
I don't know. When did you turn vegan? Or plant-based, sorry.
So I stopped eating meat, I'd say about 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah.
Just for a New Year's resolution. Big animal lover, I thought, why not give it a go? And then stuck at it for about a month, and then just didn't really go back.
Well, I think this is the thing about this one and this is like the whole sort of like fake meat market is like, it's like stocks, it's gone down. People don't do it anymore, but people are looking for ways to eat things that mimic meat.
But like, yeah, I mean, look at that.
Oh yeah.
So that's a big old cluster of goodness. I think people are interested in like how you can be creative with things like a cauliflower. And look, obviously it's not a steak, but
yeah.
You have a background in chefing, so like cauliflower steak. It's not because it's a steak, it's the cut. And that's a technical term.
Well, it kind of like, yeah, it looks
it's the
like
cross section.
Yeah, because you did the Google translation, didn't you?
Yeah, well, it was a Cambridge dictionary.
Yeah, we go.
So everyone was like, it's not a steak.
But meat really brings out like the red-blooded cockmen.
Oh, you know what? So someone did like a stitch. He was obviously eating a steak whilst he was looking at mine, and the guy looked so unwell. He's like red, puffy, had a huge plate of steak with like a big, massive knife, and he was just like, oh yeah, I love my steak.
Grow up.
You need to eat a vegetable.
Yeah, you need to eat some greens, bro. Right, I'm gonna cook this really rare. So I've got a little bit of the old camera 12. Pick this up. I'll get Jeff from camera 16 to come in close.
Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
There's the steak. Let's get some of this a bit closer. That's it. Really rare. Now let that rest. What do you need from me now? Should we make a sauce? Should we do it together? Should we be friends?
Yeah, let's do it. Should we get some dry store like seasoning kind of stuff?
Yeah, what do you want?
Smoked paprika.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, wow. A little bit of chili.
Chili.
I quite like putting fresh garlic in mine, like mincing it. Perfect. Dried oregano, perhaps.
Yes, Jeff.
Yes, Jeff.
We've got some liquid smoke. That's always
Oh yeah, we could use a tiny bit of that. To be fair.
Here you go. This is vegan as well, miso based.
That looks quite good.
Smoked sriracha, bio live fermented hot sauce.
Yeah, nice.
Right.
So,
That's what we're doing. Smoked paprika.
God, that's a nice old tin.
I know. Smoky jokey. This is old Paul Bibit. I think I actually got this from Istanbul. It's amazing.
A bit of soy.
Bit of soy.
What's the difference between soy and tamari?
Good question. I don't have a fucking clue. Do you like spicy things?
I do. Not too spicy.
No, I'm really bad with it.
Maybe let's hold off
Oh yeah.
until we've done this and then see if it needs it.
Oregano. Oil.
Yeah. Whack this in.
What else do you want in there?
Let's
Salt.
Yeah, maybe a bit of salt and pepper. I don't know. We'll see. Oh wow, smoked salt.
Big old tub.
Little spoon to taste it. I think that's really good.
That's really tasty. So you're gonna fry that, mix that. I'm gonna slice that, mix that. Then we need to make some salsas and some sauces. This is easy.
So easy.
Right, let's have a bit of a reset.
Reset. Yeah. Reset.
Oh god. So you're gonna do a green sauce, everything green, mixture of herbs, jalapenos, lime, garlic, oil.
Exactly.
I'm gonna do some pickled onions, a Pico Di Gallo kind of styly. Right, so I'm just gonna literally take the seeds out and then just dice this up. So what got you onto dips? What was like the catalyst for you going, you know what? Dips are the one.
I'll tell you what it really was.
A zig a zig.
I found an old beetroot at the bottom of the fridge.
Yeah.
I liked making hummus at the time, and I thought I hated beetroot, so I was like, right, I'm not gonna let this beetroot go to waste. Yeah, and then I put it together in a little kind of voiceover series kind of thing called Take a Dip, and then people quite liked it. So I was like, right, I'll make some more dips. Right, so we've got 1 jalapeno in there, a bit of garlic, the green herbs. What else was gonna go in there? Some olive oil.
Green, the rule of green.
Some salt and pepper.
Okay, everything's gone in there, apart for some chili. It's running my eye. Leave all the seeds in, pith everything. Can't be asked. Do you care?
No, I'm fine, mate.
Great.
Smells good.
Smells good, looks good. There you go.
Might require a bit of So the thing is, this is what normally happens if I try and do this. You just have to add a bit more oil, a bit more water.
Social media would have gone, perfect dip.
Yeah, of course.
Don't show behind the scenes.
This is what they don't see. Flash of water, I think.
Oil, bit of salt.
Right, let's try that again.
Let's get some vinegar. Herbs through this? You want some herbs?
Maybe.
Coriander?
Coriander.
Good lad.
Yeah, my girlfriend doesn't like coriander.
Is it a genetic or is she just an idiot?
I think, yeah, a bit fussy. That's what I say. You got more lime for me?
Yeah, bro. Get in there. I'm not even going to taste that again because I know that's going to be good. Should have put some avocado in that green sauce for you. It would have been...
Oh, yeah.
I haven't got any.
Oh. No avocado in there.
So if you want a bit of crunchy, do you know this? If you want a bit of crunch with your onions,
Yeah.
cut them going this way instead of like going across this way.
Nice.
So you get like the half moons. It's something about the cell structure.
Yeah.
So it gives you a bit of crunch.
Do you like raw onion?
I hate it.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't mind it when it's like pickled a little bit. Oh, it's got a little bit of like zhuzh to it. But when it's like that,
Oh, my favourite. One day, I will bite into an onion hole. One day.
today
Maybe not today. Right, there we go. I mean, look, it doesn't really turn into much,
That's all right.
but
What does it taste
it's
like?
a beautiful colour.
Right, so I'm going salt, little splash of vinegar.
I think maybe.
Needs something, doesn't it?
Do you want to taste it?
I can feel what it tastes like.
It needs maybe a bit of sweetness.
I think it's nice.
It is nice.
No, it's good because you can have that, you can have that, you can have that, you can have that. Yeah, that's nice. Right, here's my steak. I've let it rest. It's gone actually super cold, but I'm just going to do it.
Good colour.
Really thin, super thin. Because sometimes, you know, when you eat something and you don't want to bite through it, you just want to sort of like get a gob's worth.
You just want the flesh to melt through your teeth.
You're such a good vegan, you can laugh about it. There's my meaty goodness. Can I have some in the sauce? Fold through my meat. Like that.
Right, so we're going to go in with some mushies.
Oh yeah. I'm actually going to make mine hot.
Firecracker!
Oh, this pan's already broken, so let's hope it doesn't break again.
Do you think we might use all of these?
You're going to go all in? Yeah. Plates, 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 everything's here.
It's taco time, baby.
Look at this! Right, let's build.
What have you got there? Let's talk
Well,
about
so we
it.
made the marinade, didn't we? Which we can't remember.
Smoked paprika, oregano, smoky
Stuff.
oil,
Vinegar, lime. And I did a really rare seared steak, sliced it up, mixed that through, yummy yummy. Yours are the mushrooms.
I've done like pulled pork style mushrooms, and then you made a delicious
Pico Di Gallo.
Pico Di Gallo.
Thank you for your pronunciation.
And then we got some nice pickled onions as well.
And your green sauce,
And my green sauce.
Go on, get building.
Get building.
Here we go. Oh my god. Get the old dribble going.
Right.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Oh. Look at the colour. Mate, it's like we knew what we were doing. Table 65, 17 beef ready, chef. Oh, mate, I'll show camera 15 while you're doing that. Oh, mate, yours looks well good.
These are my pulled mushroom tacos, loaded with pickled onions and Pico Di Gallo.
It's perfect. Perfect. Oh, can we eat now?
So, which ones would you try? Which ones would you prefer? Or both?
I'm gonna go for one of yours. I'm gonna join the moment with you. Is it a one mouth or is it a...
I think it might be a two mouther.
I'm going
Right, ready? Cheers.
I'm dribbling. Oh. Oh.
Wow.
What's going on?
That was insane.
I've dribbled so much. It's something spicy.
I think it's the, put chili in that.
You put chili in that.
Got that smokiness, the lingering spice, the freshness from the green. Stunning.
No.
Look at that, can you see that?
I tell you what, that beef, because it's so rare, it's like melt in the mouth. Don't even have to chew it.
I'm actually gonna make one more.
Well, there you go. We just made 2 delicious tacos. Quite, it's a bit spicy. Delicious, delicious.
So made that with that.
I mean, this is fun, isn't it? This is what cooking should be about. I love you that you're a plant-based vegan and you're good fun.
Well, hopefully not all of them aren't fun.
And look, if you want to find Alfie and his dips, his soups, his, what else do you do? Pastas?
Pastas,
mate. If you like
cauliflower, vegetables, enoki mushroom, whatever.
It's basically like a porno channel, though, isn't it? Saucy things, sexy voice. But if you want to go find him, go Alfie Cooks.
Alfie Cooks, that's where you'll find me.
Everywhere.
And I'm also on YouTube and I will be starting to post longer form soon.
Love
but
it.
not yet.
Yeah, but don't forget to follow me first.
Follow him.
But like, subscribe, follow, comment,
subscribe,
chat.
smash that like button.
Smash it. Love you. Bye. Bye.